guys, what's going on? Jeremy Kerr with Team Grit, one of their trailblazers. I was going to show you how I transport my Freedom Chair. I drive a Ford F-150 at 06. I have a Bruno wheelchair lift in the back, and I just modified my Freedom Chair, put some latches on it. Now I can use my wheelchair lift to load it in and out. So I'll show you how it works. Locked in. Okay, once I'm in the truck, I'll use my crane and let it come around. Take out the cushion. Pick up the crane, or the wheelchair lift. I'll lower it down. These latches I'll put on the Freedom Chair. There. There's the other latch. Once it's on, I will use the lift. Pick it up. I'm sitting it down in the back. There it is. Now I'm ready to go wherever I want to the lake, to the hiking trails, whatever I want. So I'm able to go. So I appreciate you watching the video and look forward to seeing you moving beyond the pavement. Have a great day. Bye.